This year at the NFB convention, I saw a lot of really cool technology and maybe some strange things as well. But one of the highlights was visiting the Agiga booth to learn about the updates to the EchoVision smart glasses.
Hello everyone, this is Andy from Agiga, and it's great to see Sam again. And Sam, the Blind Life, we had a great partnership earlier in the year, and there was a great video out. We really appreciate the opportunity to work together, and today being able to have this opportunity again, it's such an honor. We just want to give you guys a quick update on the Agiga glasses and from Agiga itself. In my hand, this is actually the V1 Agiga EchoVision glasses, and these are the ones that will be rolling out to customers in August. Meaning that Pioneer customers and Alpha Beta testers will be able to start to get the updated ones starting in August for orders that's coming in right now. Expected delivery date is sometimes in September or October for them to grab them. And I can show you guys some of the core differences with the glasses in my hand. Here is a pair of V1s that people were able to order. It is kind of floppy, and the case is a beeping case. So for the new ones, they'll actually have a vibrating case instead of a beeping case. And the glasses itself is actually upgraded much more better. And these are the ones that actually freshly came out of the factory from last month that we were able to get them. So looking at the upgrades on the new glasses, the V1s, what we call the version 1, they'll have upgraded hinges, and the hinges are much more stabler. If I fold them back, they actually stay much better. But that means that it's a stabler connection. It's also a much better part. Looking at the glasses, there is also a small upgrade in the camera, and there is a 50% larger battery installed inside. From our tests, we're able to have the glasses inside of the new cases to last around 8 days if you don't use them. And then if you do use IRA or Be My Eye services, it will last around an hour and a half to 2 hours. But again, we do have an external USB-C cord that is on the right, that's at the end of the right leg. You'll be able to plug it into a power bank and have continuous usage throughout the day. In terms of the software updates, we also have exciting news. As Agiga has been improving every day, we're getting feedback from our Pioneer users every day. We're trying to create a better version of it every single day. So the new software updates that we're actually currently testing with Alpha and Beta users is facial recognition, where the glasses will be able to learn and see an individual and connect a name with it. And it's also able to start working on figuring out where is a specific item. If you're in a room and trying to find a doorway, it will be able to actually help identify the doorway and location. Thank you guys for watching this, and thank you Blind Live and Sam for having us on this channel and on the video again. If you guys have any questions, you feel free to reach out to us, and you can order the glasses at www.agiga.ai. Agiga.ai. Thank you for listening into the updates on the Agiga EchoVision smart glasses.